How to accept money requests on Cash App. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can accept money requests on Cash App. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up Cash App application. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. So once you're logged in, head over to your profile at the top right. Tap on your profile. Now once you land on your profile, scroll down a bit and head over to Security and Privacy. Now under Security and Privacy, you have to scroll down a bit and navigate to the Request section. There, you have an option that says Incoming Request. So to accept the money request, make sure to turn on that toggle. After you turn on that toggle, again below that there's two options, whether you want to accept the incoming requests from all or through the specific contacts only. If you want only your contacts, tap on the second option, then select the contacts. If you want to accept the incoming requests from all, then tap on the first option. So that's it. That's how you can accept money requests on Cash App, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.